how to fix message notification not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification and status bar. After click on notification and status bar, click on customize icon display. After click on customize icon display, you will see D and D is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. After turn on D and D, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go back to home screen and again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity option. After click on more connectivity option, click on scroll down reset and reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.